Hello, Creative Gems. Welcome to Creativity. Today I'm going to show you how to transform an old picture frame into a beautiful Glam mirror serving tray. I will list out all the materials, and if you would like, you can also visit my blog site at creativdiy.com for all the details, including tips and tricks, as well as links to my Amazon store where you can purchase some of my favorite craft tools and materials if you are unable to find them at your local dollar store. If you enjoy glam home decor and DIY crafts on a budget, I would also love it if you would support my channel by hitting the subscribe button so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. To begin, I will show you the materials. All the materials were found at either Dollar Tree or Dollarama unless otherwise stated. You will need an old picture frame. The one I have was purchased from Habitat for Humanity for a few dollars. The artwork can still be intact, or you can choose to remove whatever print may be inside. We will also need a mirror that is either the same size or slightly smaller than the picture inside the picture frame. If your mirror is smaller than the picture in the frame, some small mirror tiles will come in handy. To give the tray some height, we will need some legs. I have chosen 4 glass candle votive holders. If you don't have any on hand, you can also use some crystal doorknobs. Alternatively, you may decide to not add legs and hang this up as a mirror on the wall. We will also need some silver ribbon. The rhinestone silver ribbon that I'll be using can be purchased from Amazon. As per many of my projects, we will also need some silver and/or gold metallic paint as well as some silver glitter to mix the paint for extra glam. We will also need some Fix-All and some glue. My glue gun was bought from Amazon. Now on to the build process. First, we will start by painting the picture frame. For this step, I have chosen to use some painter's tape to mask off the picture so I don't get paint everywhere. This step is optional unless you are a messy painter like me. And also, know that we will be covering the picture later with a mirror anyhow. For the paint, I have made a custom mixture of metallic silver and metallic gold with some silver glitter for extra glam. If your picture frame is dark like mine, you will likely need 2 generous coats of paint. Before I glue down the mirror to the center of the picture frame, I will place the mini mirror tiles along the border just to make sure I know how many rows of mirror tiles I will need. If your mirror happens to be the perfect size to cover the entire picture, then you can skip this step. Once I know how many rows of mirror tiles are needed for each side, I peel the backing off the mirror tiles and stick them into position on the picture. This will frame the large mirror placed in the center. For this step, I have chosen to place the mirror tiles for 2 adjacent sides of the picture before gluing down the big mirror in the center. Then I can go ahead and use some white glue and hot glue to adhere the bigger mirror to the center of the picture. Make sure that it is placed in the correct position according to the placement of the mirror tiles. Then I continue to lay down the rest of the mirror tiles for the other two sides of the picture until the mirror in the center is entirely framed by the smaller mirror tiles. To cover the edges of the border between the small mirror tiles and the picture frame, I have chosen to line the border with silver rhinestone ribbon, as it will help hide any mirror edges that are not perfectly lined up to the picture frame. For this process, I use some hot glue. To add more glam to the tray, we will embellish the frame by gluing down the arms of the silver plastic spoons along the top of the frame. We will then place a crystal gem on top of the bigger end of each spoon. For this process, I use some white glue to adhere the crystal gem to the spoon. Next, we turn the picture frame upside down so we can use some Fix-All and hot glue to adhere the glass candle votives to the bottom of each corner. This step is optional, but if you choose to do this, the legs will give the tray some height. And there you have it. We have transformed an old picture frame into a beautiful glam mirror serving tray. I have chosen to showcase this serving tray in my formal dining room on a buffet table. Comment down below and let me know where you would place yours. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel and share with other creative gems. Also, remember to hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload another DIY glam project. I hope to see you all soon.